hope you'll pick up the phone, send a tweet, write an email, and tell your representative that they should get this done before it's too late. If you agree with me, I'm asking you to email, call, or tweet your representative. Tell them to stand.
More than 30 years of public service at the local, state, and national level, John has proven himself a dedicated representative of the people of Northern New York.
State representative from Dover.
And this week, my Secretary of State will become the first senior American representative to the annual members conference of the Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. A court that would be more inclusive, more representative, more reflective of us as people than ever before. Continue to Indonesia, the world's largest Muslim-majority country, which binds together thousands of islands through the glue of representative government and civil society. I also want to acknowledge the outstanding work that our civilians are doing each and every day, starting with Carl Eikenberry, all the way through to your senior civilian representative, Thomas Gibbons, and all the civilians who are here. He was on his way back from attending Mass, as he did every day, when he decided to stop by and say hi to his representative. As I told President Rousseff, the United States is going to keep working with Brazil and other nations on reforms that make the Security Council more effective, more efficient, more representative, and advance our shared vision of a more secure and peaceful world. We're joined by Israel's representative to the United States. The Transitional National Council has established itself as a credible representative of the Libyan people. The representative from Indonesia.
I told him to remember that he isn't just the president's advisor. He's the personal representative of the 2.2 million men and women who make up our armed forces and their families.